Hi, welcome to our IDQ Pro tutorial series. My name is Helena, and today I'll be talking about how to use the Endmembers Extraction toolbox in IDQ Pro. This toolbox identifies the number of endmembers from the hyperspectral dataset. It extracts individual endmember spectra and saves them in Excel and the ecostress format. It can then quantify the area given by each endmember. To start, you'll want to go to Toolboxes, and then select Endmembers Extraction. You'll then have the option to select Endmember Calculation Method. There are 3 available. You will select a method and then go on to Endmember Estimation Method. You are given these 3 options here. You can select the number of iterations. If the field is empty, the default is the number of iterations equal to 3. Note that the computation time of the algorithm increases with increasing number of iterations. Alternatively, you can also type the number of endmembers you expect to find. For example, maybe I expect 5. Or you can leave that blank and the algorithm will process it without an expected value of endmembers. You can then select the reduction method, either MNF or PCA. If this argument is specified, the function first reduces the spectral dimension of the input data by using the specified method. Then it computes the endmember signatures from the reduced dataset. You'll then click Start. After the endmember spectra is calculated, single endmember images are produced in the Abundance Map panel, down here. At the same time, the best 3 images are combined in the Estimated RGB Image panel. You can then select to view or visualize the image with the monochromatic mode or the pseudo RGB mode. You can click on each image to see it in a larger view. Each image can then be saved. You can drag through the bar here. Same for the pseudo RGB mode. Each produced endmember spectrum can be saved either in Excel or in the ecostress format, right here. You can right-click on the endmember spectrum panel. In the case of the ecostress format, it has to be saved one by one. When Save Spectra in ecostress format is selected, a pop-up dialog window shows the parameters needed for the ecostress format. It'll request you to put that information in. For references or additional information on how each of the various calculation and estimation methods work, visit idcubes.com/documentation.